Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure location and high-accuracy GPS are enabled, because Google Maps needs precise positioning to guide you. Once done, sign in and download the offline map for the region you'll visit so navigation works without data. Now set your home or destination, type the address, and tap directions, choose your starting point. This gets you moving immediately. It reduces delays and lets the app cache routes and transit data, so you can proceed even if signal drops. Once your route appears, pick the appropriate travel mode and why it matters. Driving and transit give different ETA logic and lane guidance. Make route adjustments, tap options to avoid tolls or highways, and add intermediate stops if you're making multiple pickups. Also enable live traffic and the satellite or terrain layer to see real-world context. That helps you plan lane changes and anticipate slow zones. Make sure to save frequently used places, because saved pins speed future routing and reduce typing. As you approach, rely on turn-by-turn voice and lane guidance to reduce decision stress, and watch the live ETA so you can time arrivals. When you arrive, end navigation and save parking or drop-off notes. If cellular drops, Google Maps uses your downloaded map. If guidance freezes, force close and reopen the app or toggle GPS off/on. That often forces a fresh location fix. Finally, share your ETA with a contact and leave a quick rating to help future travelers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.